You have one unheard message. First unheard message sent yesterday at 7:15 p.m.
Cassie, call me back. I just woke up. Love you. Hey, I may or may not have accidentally stolen your blue sweater and accidentally spilled something on it. Call me back. Do you remember when we went to school? Oh my God. Was that 8th grade? The blue makeup all over our faces. I can't believe our moms let us out the house like that. Where have you been? Call me. Cassie, we're here. We've been here. Pick up. You better come tonight. Cassie, call me back. Hey, sorry I'm outside. What was the name of that book you were telling me to get? Something about. I don't know, just text me. Hey, are you ignoring me? I know you wouldn't because, like, nothing's wrong, right? Just call me back, okay? Okay, I'm tired of you ignoring me. I'm coming to your house tonight, bitch. We're going out. Cassie, I really miss you. No, everyone's been talking about you. Everyone. No, I don't get it. How could you be so selfish? I kept trying to call you every single day. Every day. You couldn't pick up one phone call? Just one of the hundreds of phone calls? Or respond to a text or just anything, Cassie?
Artlist.io.
What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to tell people when they ask me questions?
Artlist.io.
Cassie, if you don't realize what you've done.
Artlist.io.
Saw your mom yesterday. Didn't really know how to talk to her. Neither of us wanted to have a conversation, but couldn't just ignore each other.
Artlist.io.
Can't you just respond? I know you have to be seeing. I'm still calling, I'm still texting. You have to answer at least once. I know. You just have to.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Oh my gosh, I got both of the little birds. Do you remember when we were little? We would dress up in each other's clothes and try to confuse my mom. Tell her we were twins. I was looking at that picture today. I know it's your favorite. Cassie.
Artlist.io.
Cassie. I miss you so much.
Special care of them. You'll also find a warrant for your arrest. What's your charge? Reckless endangerment. Death of Evan Ramsey. That's outrageous. Megan is the very sick woman that you made even.
Can't say I haven't thought about it. I miss you so much.
Artlist.io.
See you soon, Cassie. I miss you really bad. We'll see you soon.